Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Toyota Prius. First, prioritize safety by ensuring both vehicles are completely turned off and not making contact. Always set the parking brakes on both cars. Next, locate the dedicated Jumpstart terminal under the hood of your Prius, usually beneath the fuse box cover. It is crucial to wear safety glasses and gloves for protection, and confirm your jumper cables are in excellent condition before proceeding. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Begin by opening the fuse box cover on your Prius to access the positive Jumpstart terminal. Take one red, positive jumper cable clamp and securely attach it to this terminal. Then, take the other end of the red cable and connect its clamp to the positive battery terminal of the assisting vehicle. Double-check that both positive connections are tight and stable. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Take one black negative jumper cable clamp and connect it to the negative battery terminal of the assisting vehicle. For your Prius, attach the other black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, ensuring it's away from any moving components. It is important not to connect this negative cable directly to the Prius's 12-volt battery itself. With all cables connected, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes. This allows a preliminary charge to transfer. Then, try starting your Prius. Look for the ready indicator to illuminate. Once your Prius is running, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of connection, beginning with the negative clamp from your Prius. Finally, drive your Prius for at least 15 minutes to fully recharge its 12-volt battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.